Maranayaka immersed in the merriment. Yaduraya and Krishnaraya suddenly fell upon him. The bullying
Royal Mother, your misery is at end. You and your province.
And so it came to pass, an epoch in Karnataka, a great regime was born. Yaduraya ascended the throne on the 11th of April, 1399. He took on the title Vadiyar. The princes of Yaduvamsha, the Yadu dynasty, became the founders of the Mysuru Vadiyar dynasty.
Let me tell the rest of the story.
And who might you be, my lady?
I'm Kaveri. Daughter of King Kaveri. They call me Loka Kaveri, the one who cleansed. Oh, his eyes weren't enough for all of its dazzling splendor. His ears too inadequate for its far-reaching fame. The world never.
ಮೆಲುಗುವಂತ ಅರಮನೆಯ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ದರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊಳೆ ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಸಮಾನ
There is no equal on earth to this throne of the palace. Glittering, shining, splendidly studded with pearl and precious stone.
ಕರಿಮರದ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳಗು ಮುತ್ತು ರತ್ನ ಸಿರಿಯ ಮೆರುಗು ಬಂಗಾರ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಬೆಳಗು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಬೆಳಗು ಬೆಳಗು ಕರಿಮರದ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳಗು ಮುತ್ತು ರತ್ನ ಸಿರಿಯ ಮೆರುಗು ಬಂಗಾರ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಬೆಳಗು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಬೆಳಗು ಬೆಳಗು ಮುತ್ತು ರತ್ನ ಖಚಿತ ಮಿನುಮಿರುಗುವಂತ ಅರಮನೆಯ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಜನಮನದ ಆಸೆ ವೈಭವದ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಲಾಂಛನದ ಸಿರಿಯ ಭರಸೆ ಲಾಂಛನದ ಸಿರಿಯ ಭರಸೆ.
On the 23rd of March, 1610, by this order of his, the warriors of Mysore became victims of a curse, the curse of a virtuous woman. The previous ruler, Sri Rangaraya, was already dead by then. Curse on Talakadu, curse on Malangi.
Warriors brought to Mysuru a great confluence of erudition.
Kandhirava Narasaraja Vadiyar was known for his physical prowess. The world knew him as Ranadhira, for he was without equal in the art of wrestling.
Hear ye all, hear! In the neighboring kingdom of Tiruchinappalli lives a Jatti, a great giant of a wrestler. Never has he known defeat. His underwear hangs at his town's gate. If there be a challenger who dares, he may fling the underwear aside and wrestle with him. Hear ye, hear!
Oh, the town crier's message singed the sinews of Rana. Eventually, Ranadhira drew his sword, Vijaya Narasimha, its sting deadlier than that of a wasp, and struck. Wonder of wonders, the stricken Jatti stood rooted to the spot. The spectators gaped. Smiling, Ranadhira nudged gently the Jatti at this sleight of hand swordsmanship. Ranadhira Kandhirava Narasaraja Vadiyar defeated Ranadullah Khan of Bijapur, the chieftain of Madurai, who came later heralded the arrival of the golden age of Mysore.
ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹೀಶೂರ ರತ್ನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಾಧೀಶ್ವರ ತಿರುಗಂತೆಂಬರ ಗಂಡ ರಾಜ ಜಗದೇವ ನವಕೋಟಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ವೀರ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ದೇವರಾಜ ಬಹುಪರ ಬಹುಪರ ಬಹುಪರ.
Chikkadevaraja was a hero. He overcame the chieftain of Madurai and the king of Tiruchirappalli. He enjoyed the friendship of Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor of Delhi, who bestowed upon him the title Raja Jagadev. His significant achievement was administration.
ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಂ ಯದುಶೈಲ ಗುಣಾರಾಮಂ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ರಂಗಧಾಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಯದುವಂಶ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಪ್ರೌಢ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಂ ಜಗತ್ಪ್ರೇಮಂ ದೇವೇಂದ್ರ ಮಹೀ ಚಂದ್ರಮಂ
Sanchi Honnamma was a maid in Chikkadevaraja.
Honnamma, I hear that between your duties, you write poetry. May we not enjoy the grace of your lyric?
Oh, sire, my lyric is but immature. Your court is endowed.
ಪೆಣ್ಣ ಪೆತ್ತವರು ಪೆರ್ಚುವರು ಪೆಣ್ಣು ಪೆತ್ತುದರಿಮದೆ ಪೆಸರೆನಿಸಿ ತುಮಿಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣವೇರಿದು ಪಾಲ್ಗಡಲು.
Wise like woman,
ಪೆರ್ಮಗೊಂಡನು
woman it is who bears. Weren't all born by one,
ಬೈಗೂ
protected and nurtured by one? Why yet be fools to condemn woman?
ನಡೆದನು ಪೆಣ್ಣ ನಿಂದಿಸಲೇಕೆ ಪೆರರು ಪೆಣ್ಣಲ್ಲವೇ ತಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಡೆದ ತಾಯಿ ಪೆಣ್ಣ